To create a Behance account, start by visiting the official Behance website at behance.net, which is an Adobe website. Click on the blue Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the page. This will direct you to a page where you can create your account. The fastest way to sign up is by using an existing account with Google, Facebook, Apple ID, Microsoft, or Line. If you don't have any of these accounts, you can also sign up using your email address and a password. When signing up with an email address, enter your email and create a password, making sure to choose a strong and memorable one. Once you've entered your email and password, click Continue to proceed. Alternatively, if you prefer to sign in with an existing account, such as Google, click on the Google option. Select your email address, and you will be automatically logged into Behance. The process is quick and easy, taking only a few seconds. After signing up, you can view your profile by clicking or hovering over your logo, which provides access to settings, purchases, and other profile information. Your Behance profile can be accessed from this menu, allowing you to view and manage your account details.